Well, let me tell you about some chicks that I know. I got a Latina girl that said she wanted pronto. I got a girl in Toronto and I call her Raptor. She tryna chase a dollar, yeah, that's all she after. She said she fed up with the modern rappers. There's no energy, that sounded kin to me. Yeah, so I said I got that remedy. I got that old shit, you can depend on me. Cause I'm versatile, I can shake up the floor, I was versatile. You can bet your whole purse, every verse is wild. Make a sucker MC go reverse his style. You can put your money down on it, yeah, you can count on it. And if you're feeling like it sounds legit, then you should bounce to this. I think you know what time it is. Yeah, yeah, I think you know what time it is. You can put your money down on it. Yeah, you start to realize that they were all actors. They dropped the tape and then they thought that they would be a star after. Yeah, they thought that they were off